Hi, my name is Violetta, or Violet maybe. Today we are going to decorate a Christmas tree or a New Year's tree. I like to say New Year's tree because we don't celebrate Christmas, but we love New Year's. New Year is the biggest celebration in Russia. I put up a New Year's tree at the end of December. I like my artificial spruce. Putting it up is a special pre-holiday ritual. Usually, we decorate the New Year's tree with ornaments and tinsel, but this year I want to decorate it in the Russian style. It's a new internet trend. It's an imagined style, the dream of a past that never really exists. I try to make my tree cozy. It will be unusual for me. I rarely buy New Year's decorations. But now I've bought something. For example, the cockerel-shaped lollipops. We say леденец. It means icy, and it really does look like ice. In my childhood, we made these lollipops in heavy metal molds by melting sugar. Actually, I also bought different lollipops like horses, samovars and matryoshkas. Самовары и матрюшки. And this box with old ornaments from my childhood. For me, they are full of memories and magical. I'm making a garland from Russian bread rings, sushki, and ribbons. I haven't seen such New Year's decorations before. It turned out cute, but there weren't enough red ribbons, and I added lace to the branches. While I was hanging old glass ornaments, I dropped one and it shattered. I was so upset and I decided I wouldn't hang the glass ornaments on my New Year's tree for now. I'm adding string lights. And I'm putting a red lace bow on top of the tree. I couldn't resist adding some more tinsel. We call this decoration rain. And look at the magical New Year's tree I created. I think it looks dressy and rich, like something from Russian fairy tales. Happy New Year! See you in the next videos.